Good day and welcome to the Gulf News Update for Sunday, September the 1st. Here are the top stories at this hour. Indian newspapers and politicians have called for harsher punishments for juveniles after the first verdict in the New Delhi gang rape case saw a juvenile sentenced to 3 years detention. The rape and murder of a 23-year-old student by 6 people, including the 17-year-old on a moving bus last December, sparked violent protests and led to calls for stricter sentences in cases of sexual assault. Sharjah police have resumed accepting applications for driving licenses from almost all expatriates working in the emirate, regardless of their profession. The decision ends a 5-year ban placed against 86 low-income categories of workers in 2008. US President Barack Obama will ask the US Congress to authorize military action against Syria, lifting the threat of immediate strikes on President Bashar al-Assad's regime. Obama said he had decided he would take military action on Syria, but believed it was important for US democracy to win the support of lawmakers. Arab foreign ministers are meeting today in Cairo to talk about Syria. Indian spiritual leader Asaram Bapu was arrested late last night by Jodhpur police over allegation of sexually assaulting a 16-year-old girl at his hermitage. A police team has taken him to Jodhpur for questioning. In sport, Rafael Nadal and Roger Federer cruised into the 4th round of the US Open last night. This marks a huge step toward a possible first Grand Slam matchup on the Flushing Meadows hard courts. John Travolta is coming to Dubai. The actor will be in the UAE on September the 9th as the ambassador at large for Qantas, the Australian carrier. Travolta, who is also a qualified pilot, will be meeting the media and a few fans who have been pre-selected by the airline. And finally, the weather. Today's high across the UAE will be 41 degrees Celsius, dropping to 29 at night. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. And as always, you can get the latest news at gulfnews.com.